In the heart of the 6th century, two titans of antiquity stood poised for conflict, their armies a testament to the might of their respective empires. The Sassanian Empire, a Persian powerhouse ruled by King Kavad I, and the Byzantine Empire, led by Emperor Justinian I, were about to engage in a fierce battle that would echo through the annals of history. The stage was set in the city of Nineveh, a grand metropolis nestled along the Tigris River. The year was 502, and the air was thick with tension as the armies prepared for the impending clash. The Sassanians, with their distinctive royal guards clad in gleaming armor, and the Byzantines, with their golden-domed cathedral painting a stark contrast against the desert backdrop, were a sight to behold. The Sassanians, seeking to expand their territories, had invaded Byzantine-controlled Mesopotamia. The Byzantines, however, refused to cede their lands without a fight. The stage was set for a battle that would test the mettle of both empires. As the sun rose on the day of the battle, a deafening silence fell over the armies. The air was thick with anticipation. The Sassanians, with their heavy cavalry and powerful war elephants, charged forward, their roars echoing across the plains. The Byzantines, with their disciplined infantry and strategic formations, held their ground, their resolve unwavering. The battle was fierce. Swords clashed, shields rang, and arrows flew thick and fast. The Byzantines, with their strategic maneuvers and tactical precision, managed to hold the Sassanian advance at bay. The day was far from over, but the Byzantines had managed to inflict heavy casualties on the Sassanians. As the sun began to set, the Sassanians, realizing the futility of their advance, retreated. The Byzantines, victorious, celebrated their hard-fought victory. The Battle of Nineveh was a testament to the strength and resilience of both empires, and a turning point in the history of the Middle East. The victory at Nineveh boosted the morale of the Byzantines, and they continued to hold off the Sassanian advances for several more years. The Sassanians, however, would not be deterred. The conflict between these two great empires would continue for centuries, each battle a testament to their unyielding determination. The Battle of Nineveh, however, remained a shining example of the Byzantine Empire's strategic prowess and the Sassanians' fierce resolve. Thus, the Battle of Nineveh stood as a beacon of history, a tale of two empires locked in an eternal dance of power and conquest. The echoes of the clash still reverberate through the sands of time, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the ancient world.